Did a software update break the Vpshellres Resource DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get Symantec Norton running again. Before the technical guide for Vpshellres Resource, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Vpshellres Resource, the Norton and Symantec Shell Resource Library. It provides unmanaged routines for context menus and shell integration, facilitating the security manifest for localized data links. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This error commonly appears when Symantec Norton files are missing or corrupted. Reinstall the official version of Symantec Norton to repair the application and replace Vpshellres Resource DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Vpshellres Resource. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Vpshellres Resource DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Vpshellres Resource. To keep Vpshellres Resource running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.